It is Saturday today and it's gonna be a really fun day. I just actually got back from work and now we are about to clean the house and then have our in-laws over for some Christmas Christmas decorating. We're gonna exchange some presents and then have a dinner, so I'm super excited. But we gotta clean the house first before they get here, so let's do that.
No way. So funny. No way. No way. Is that the nicest thing ever? Oh my gosh, that is so funny.
Straight face. Yeah. That is so funny. I just thought it was so funny you guys were talking about it and that was a gift the whole time. I was like, wow, this is great.
No way.
I'm like, I'm glad they said they wanted one because they're like, oh no, that's horrible. We want to get the other one, the Echo Dot.
The thing out there, I was like, oh no, they want a different
Yay.
That is, it's Google.
Yeah.
So wouldn't that be terrible if it wasn't Google?
Yeah, I know, right?
It is kind of.
To Ian and Jack from Santa.
Oh, Santa.
He's still around, huh?
Oh, wow. That's awesome. We actually need food storage. That's really...
Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah. That was our spiritual note to you guys.
Oh, wait, that's actually
It has
awesome.
all the nutrition facts. Well, this is to Ian from Mom and Dad. It's wrapping paper
That's
for
actually,
next year.
yeah, that's nice. That's nice.
You like that?
Yeah, that is.
Whoa, those look... Oh, you guys got the curling iron set. That is so cute.
What?
I'm actually really excited about it. Oh, no, I don't care.
Oh, really?
Oh, wow, look at that.
Oh, wow. That's great.
Ian, what'd you get?
I want to be able to see what's in the background. I like those.
So this is Turner Christmas 2.0. Just kidding.
2020 COVID Christmas.
2020 COVID Christmas. We just opened presents with Ian's parents and now we're gonna open our presents to each other. You ready? Let's see, what is it?
What could this be? It's
I don't
sparkly.
remember what it is.
White tea. Thanks, babes.
Oh, you're expecting one never kiss. Jaclyn from Ian. I know what it could be. Oh, babe.
Oh,
That's so nice.
you're welcome.
Guys, I wanted this set since Black Friday. I'm just kidding.
Black Friday.
Follow the right material. Like, does it smell good?
You should change it to him.
What is this massive present?
Holy cow.
Ooh.
It's a dog.
It's a puppy.
You did not.
But
She got me a turkey. She got me an air fryer. Any though, it's an 8-quart, the big boy, Ninja air fryer. So now we can fry foods healthily.
Ooh, look at that.
Oh, no way. There
Mexican
we go.
train.
Mexican train. We'll be playing that.
That's so
can
fun.
Can you play 2 players?
I think you probably
should be
can.
able to.
That's awesome.
That's great.
Baby, wow, that's a nice jacket.
Is it?
Yeah, no, I like that. And I like that it's thin material.
Okay.
You know? I love them. Thank you.
Yeah, the other one was green. Oh, they came?
Yeah.
Oh, no, they were at Costco.
Yeah, at Costco.
Okay, nice. Some joggers, 2 pairs. Oh yeah, there we go. Yes. Now I can finally work out at home. I probably don't want to.
Ooh, cool. That looks nice. Open it.
What is that? She got me like really interesting slippers. They actually feel
They're
really...
slipper socks.
Yeah, it's kind of
You
cool.
wanted fuzzy socks, but I couldn't find men's fuzzy socks.
Oh, that's so
but they
cool.
men's.
I love women fuzzy socks. That's actually really cool.
Oh, baby.
Okay,
I'm excited. I've been wanting Sour Patch Kids in a while. Oh, baby. You got me a Starbucks gift?
$25.
Really? Wow, it took us a lot of money.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yes, and oh, Airheads too.
Okay, these are wool socks.
Okay.
I don't know how good they are because they're not what I think of when I think of wool socks.
Yeah.
But they're cute, or I thought you might like them.
No, they're cute
for Christmas.
yeah, I am for keeping my toes warm.
You don't have
This is the aftermath of Christmas. Look at all this stuff, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Yay! Thank you, baby. Look how hot my husband is. I love him. So right now, guys, we are headed to our friend's house. We're gonna drop off a plate of cookies and, oh, sketch. And we just got some Starbucks. So I got the salted caramel hot chocolate, which I haven't gotten in so long, so I'm super excited to try it. So let's take a sip. That is so good. Baby, I like that. We are home now. I'm in this cute set I got for our little Christmas thing tonight. I'm seriously so in love with it. It is from Cotton On. It is the most comfortable piece of clothing I think I own. And I want to live in it forever, so I probably will. Also, I'm wearing these socks that Ian gave me. Cute. Anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog, and I will see you guys later. Bye. Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. I just wanted to quickly start documenting and get the day started because we're making some lunch. And by we, I mean Ian's making lunch. Ian's been making stuff with his new air fryer. Look at.
Son of a gun. Oh, smell that. That smells like freaking fast food, but it's
no,
not.
it does.
Too unhealthy. What the heck?
That's crazy. So yeah, he's using his new air fryer. He's making us chicken sandwiches with some French fries, and so we're super excited. This is our air fried chicken sandwich. A little burnt on the buns, but we got our French fries. Ian's gonna go for the first bite. Good?
It's good.
It's pretty good. So right now, I'm eating some candy, and I'm about to start editing another vlog. Ian is working on cutting the bonsai tree, so hopefully he did it right. This is what we got so far. He kind of cut it all off. It's a little naked. All right, guys. Ian and I are gonna do a spa night. I'm gonna give him a facial right now. Come on over, babe. Lay down on your wonderful bed. So I have him laying down. Since he does have longer hair, actually, I'm gonna clip it back. I have these hair clips I got the other day that did nothing. The perfect thing to keep the hair back. Put your head through. Oh, like that. Is that comfortable on you? Hair's pulled back. I'm gonna go get a really nice warm cloth and I'm gonna put it on his face just to help open up his pores. Happy Monday. Christmas is in less than 5 days. Like, that is insane. Ian and I are actually headed home to California for Christmas, so we're so excited. We're gonna spend it with my family. We just got back from the DMV because we had to change our licenses over, so we just did that, so that's great. And I got this case that I've been waiting for like 2 weeks now in the mail. So as you guys know, I recently got the new MacBook. So I need a case for it because, guys, look, there's already a little chip. I'm so sad. Like, just like a little, like, scratch or something. I don't even know how because I've been really good about it. But for this case, like the day I got my MacBook, said it would take 3 days and it took over 2 weeks, but I got it. So this is from Unique Find, I think that's how you say it. Really, really cute cases. So what it is like, this is the case and then there's like a skin that you put with it. So this is the skin I got. It's this really cute pattern, Terrazzo I think it's called. So we're gonna put this on my laptop. But yeah, we're gonna do this. I did it. Look how cute she looks now. Oh my goodness. And it feels like pretty sturdy, so I'm happy about that. And then this is what it looks like. You got your keypad, like that whole design. I'm excited to start using it and hopefully it all goes well. We are in the car now and we are about to go run out and do some errands. I have a few returns to make. I need to go pick up some things at the thrift store, some pictures from Costco. I need to get new contacts from Costco. It's a big day, guys. Target's extremely busy today. Also, I'm here like twice a week, no big deal. Got the goods. Okay, so I just left Target. Oh my gosh, it is insanely busy because it's the holidays and it's a week before Christmas. So everyone's doing last minute shopping. But I got a croissant from Starbucks because I haven't eaten really today. So I ate candy, so I feel like crap. I got a water. So I just got back from the store and I'm going to be making some Christmas gifts. So my dad wanted like a frame with a picture of Ian and I and then just a picture of me on the other side. Guys, that's so cute. She just left me cookies. This looks good. I just finished making that. So these are the pictures I decided to do. We are making dinner and we are making Olive Garden breadsticks, fettuccine pasta, and some salad. Let's check them out. Ooh, those look perfect, babe. Look at this amazing food. We got our fettuccine, breadsticks, salad. I'm so excited. Okay, just because I'm so curious, the breadsticks. No, it doesn't taste like Olive Garden. I don't think it's salty enough, but it tastes like a breadstick. It's good. Okay guys, we're gonna eat and I will see you later. Bye. Hey guys. So, kind of look like trash, honestly. I look really gross right now. But I've been working all day. I just finished editing and I am gonna be heading over to Kylie's apartment to go watch The Bachelorette. We are now headed to Chick-fil-A to get a peppermint shake before I go over to watch The Bachelorette. I love the peppermint shake and it's sadly only a seasonal item. So I really wanted to go get one before Christmas. I'm going to Chick-fil-A. Fun fact of the day, this is the Chick-fil-A where Ian and I met. Thank you. Have a good one. First sip. It's so good. I am so excited.
And I know it's hard to believe, but
look how cute this apartment is also. Love that. So guys, I'm home now. I watched The Bachelorette. It was really good. A little unexpected with the ending, but you know what? I'm super happy for Tayshia. I'm not gonna spoil it, so don't worry. Christmas Eve tomorrow. So it's Wednesday, the day before Christmas Eve. So I'm gonna make sure that vlog is up tomorrow, and yeah, I'll see you guys then. Bye-bye. Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. It's Tuesday today. It's the day before Christmas Eve, so I'm super excited about that. I'm gonna take you guys along as I do some packing. I'm just super excited because tomorrow I go home to California. So I'm about to paint my nails with this cute polish for the holidays. I got it at Target and it is like a red and white gel nail polish and then a top coat. All right, this is what we're working with. Obviously, you can see I have stuff all over. Those are the holiday nails. I'm so excited about them. So I need to start packing now because my trip is tomorrow. We leave tomorrow, so I need to start packing. So let's start doing it. We got the suitcase. Woohoo! So I'm pretty much packed now. I'm just waiting for Ian to get home so he can put his stuff in the suitcase and then we can zip it up and call it good. But yeah, I think that's gonna end the vlog for today. I'm just gonna have a chill rest of the evening. Thank you guys so much for watching. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve and I'll be headed to California, so I'm so excited and that'll be very fun to take you guys along. Cannot wait for the next few days and Merry Christmas. See you guys later. Bye-bye.